Hello everyone, this is John. The topic of today's video is different from the usual topics discussed here because we'll focus a little more on hardware. I want to see what's inside a vintage Turbo X keyboard. Here I have got a Turbo X vintage keyboard that I'm going to tear down. Actually this bit was Let's start. You've got here a PS2 connector and you've got some screws. So let's start by unscrewing them. One. I will have to The third one doesn't seem to want to go out so easy. Okay. Now let's take out Alright. These are some, actually this bit stays here when it has been assembled properly, so I will put it here for now. Let's get these out. So this actually carries the instructions, I guess, from the keys. As you can see, these keycaps here are really easy to lose. So now this is I am facing some challenges getting it out. Okay, and I believe this is why this keyboard doesn't work. And so that's it with the disassembly. Now let's assemble it back. Over here, here and here, actually here, it is written num, caps and SCR, which would indicate num lock, caps lock and scroll lock. So we have to be careful when putting this back in. Like this. The cable stays like this. So let's get this thing out. Okay, so now we have to make sure that these boards are on the right place. So here, as you can see, these have to obviously connect with these here. So after making sure that all these rubber keycaps or key whatever, these rubbery things have to be in place so that every key is can be pressed and will actually work. Now I will put this that I actually forgot to last time I assembled this keyboard, and oops, one keycap is outside. Not that it actually matters in some way, since this keyboard does not work. It's just for the purpose of this video. to disassemble it and assemble it properly. So actually this is okay. So now we can cover it up. Voila! We have a non-functional keyboard. You also do have to check as you can see, this is what I did not want to see. So I will have to disassemble it and fix this greeny thing that hasn't fit into place, but this is how you obviously disassemble a vintage Turbo X keyboard. Hopefully you found the video useful, and a sub to the channel would be very good. And I'll see you in the next one.